Uh, Kerry, tell us something about your business in the last 5 months. What are you doing to grow it, increase it, and thrive?
Um, you had explained a little bit. So this is our Everright Superfood Smoothie Kit. So we have the benefit of freeze drying, which is a natural process that locks in nutrients, but also means that we're shelf stable and really light. So we can ship all across the country for that magic number under 1 pound. So we ship at letter rates with USPS. And so we created our recipes with freeze-dried fruits because we wanted a really easy solution that was really tasty. Never in a million years expecting end of times relevance. And so all of a sudden, like Everright became relevant for all of the reasons that we never would have built into a strategy deck in terms of immune boosting and free delivery and stores in your pantry, and everybody was loading up their fridge and their freezer and they were jammed to the hilt. So we really, sheepishly rode a lot of success waves in terms of tailwinds through COVID that we would give back for all, of the tragedy that has ensued. But we right out of the gate saw our business take off. And so March, April, May, we were doing gangbusters. We very fortuitously launched on Amazon. We had planned to launch on Amazon, and we delivered our first couple of pallets into Amazon March 17th. Thinking based on all the headlines that it was going to sit in the warehouses, and somebody in Amazon Emerging Brands team found us and shepherded us in, and so that channel has taken off. We watched many of our peers in terms of like supply chain issues, and our hearts went out to them, and lo and behold, 6 months later, as everybody is looking to store up their pantry for the next month, freeze-dried is having some supply chain issues. So we're going through some growing pains right now in terms of turning over every rock to find great quality freeze-dried fruits. So we've sort of dialed back on some of our marketing efforts over the next few weeks, but we're producing this week. We're back online, and so we're really ready to lean in. If I could go back to the last question in terms of platforms and things that have been difference makers for anybody just getting on to selling, we use Shopify. But one of the biggest step changes that our digital team pushed for us to add was a chatbot app. We use Tidio, Tidio. And they, I was really concerned about who was going to man a 24/7 chatbot. But we have scripted enough of the verbiage that it now is driving. So, it basically, have you been here before? Maybe you want a subscription if you're new. Here's a discount code, and it's doubled our conversion. So anybody who is looking at selling and thinking about it, I would highly recommend adding a chatbot, and we've had really good success with Tidio so far.
That's great. Great. Excellent advice, Kerry. Yes.